Tips for making the most of free AI and accelerating your learning. For those who don't know, AI models were developed and trained to facilitate our work and learning process. Because they don't get tired, have no worldly obligations, and don't suffer from physical fatigue, they are available 24/7. That is why I am sharing some tips that I use in my daily life and that have been working very well for me. Most current models have the capacity to teach you as much, or even more, than a college education. They may not give you a diploma, but they provide what is most important, real knowledge. Most of them understand and speak over 100 languages. I use, for example, the Gemma 31B developed by Google. This is the ideal time to learn whatever we want, applying best practices. Furthermore, you can run your own model on your computer or, depending on the case, even on your smartphone. The advantage of having your own model is the ability to train it for your specific needs through your interaction history. Tip 1. Understand your tool. Before you start using a free AI, ask what it can do and when its last update was. This helps you define what to expect from the tool. Tip 2. Ask smart questions. Knowing the AI's version gives you a better idea of the resources available. It is crucial to formulate smart questions from the start, to avoid confusing the AI or having to delete a history that might have been useful. If you have questions about subjects outside the topic you are studying, open a new chat or use a different tool, such as Duck.ai, Gemini, DeepSeek, Claude, or ChatGPT. I use several, reserving the most powerful ones for complex tasks. Tip 3. Organize your chats. If you have finished learning something and want to change topics, always open a new chat. This allows you to resume previous content exactly where you left off in the future. Keep in mind that very long chats can hit processing limits, causing the AI to lose its memory of the conversation. Running your own AI is also a great option. You gain privacy and do not depend on congested internet. Additionally, your conversation history acts as a set of valuable prompts. If the AI doesn't know how to answer something complex, teach it by providing texts and reference content so it can learn the best way to help you. Now, I will show you how to use open source tools to run AI on your computer or laptop, provided your hardware meets the requirements to run the models. Keep in mind that the more powerful the model, the more resources are needed to run it without latency. I personally use these community-developed open source projects to develop my own AI solutions for smart home, automation, and other applications. Now, I will show you how to use open source tools to run AI on your computer or laptop, provided your hardware meets the requirements to run the models. Keep in mind that the more powerful the model, the more resources are needed to run it without latency. I personally use these community-developed open source projects to develop my own AI solutions for smart home, automation, and other applications. What did I do in this video? I went to the llama.cpp project page and copied the GitHub link. I then entered an empty folder, cloned the latest available version of the application, and selected the compilation type suitable for my computer. Anyone with some programming knowledge can perform this process. I only skipped the installation step since I already had a previous version installed. I prefer not to install it again and tested it directly from the build folder using the executables that were ready to be used. That's all for today. I will post more tips soon. If you like this content and would like more, leave a message in the comments. I will be happy to share knowledge.